All-natural soppressata raised without antibiotics. All-natural soppressata is a fermented and dry-aged meat similar to salami. Made from ground pork that is raised without antibiotics and a blend of mild spices, all-natural soppressata contains no added nitrates or nitrites. The demand for foods raised without antibiotics makes all-natural soppressata on trend. No shortcuts were taken to deliver this versatile customer favorite. It is ideal for charcuterie menus, sandwiches, salads, pizzas, and other dishes. All-natural soppressata has a mild sweet taste with notes of Calabrian peppers. This has the authentic flavor and texture of salami made in the old country. Every bite will transport you to southern Italy. Suggest all-natural soppressata for guests looking for natural, artisanal foods that deliver flavor and healthy eating. All-natural soppressata adds bona fide Italian flavor in every bite. Health-conscious guests will be happy to order all-natural soppressata raised without antibiotics. The authentic taste of salami from southern Italy will keep them ordering more. More orders means larger tips for you.